Appeals court just ruled to temporarily block access to mifepristone by mail. That's one of the two pills used in medication abortions. This is one of the first major rulings to limit access to abortion drugs following the Dobbs decision, the 2022 Supreme Court ruling that ended the constitutional right to abortion. This appeals court ruling means mifepristone can now only be dispensed in person as the case plays out. Now let's bring in Misty Maris for more. Misty, good to see you again. What does this ruling mean for access to abortion pills?
So, Aaron, this means that nationwide, mifepristone cannot be distributed via mail. So anytime somebody is in need of mifepristone or seeking mifepristone, it has to be done in person. So how did we get here? This relates to a lawsuit brought by Louisiana against the FDA. During the Biden era, there was a regulation that says mifepristone can be distributed via mail. Louisiana said in the wake of Dobbs, they changed their laws on abortion, restricting it. So the federal rule was at odds, allowing people to circumvent the law in the state. So they brought that lawsuit, and what happened here is what we call a stay. While that plays out, now the nationwide rule is that the drug cannot be distributed via mail, in person only, significantly limiting access.
Wow. And what is the legal way forward here?
So right now, this is a stay. So the analysis is that there would be irreparable harm if the law, this regulation were to be left in place, meaning that it can be distributed via mail, and likelihood of success on the merits. That's what this Fifth Circuit Court of Appeal looked at. What is the likelihood that the underlying lawsuit, which will play out, is going to be successful in favor of Louisiana? They determined that there is a likelihood of success in the merits, so that this stay, will be in place while that lawsuit plays out. So it's not the final word, but it certainly signals how the Fifth Circuit sees this going.
All right, Misty Maris, thanks for that.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.